green bean soup with durian. Okay, now before the green bean, you have to soak it in the water for about 1 hour before you actually bring it to boil. You boil it until it is very, very soft. It's like this, the texture. And then after that, you put in more water, right? And then until it's really, really cooked, okay, and soft. Next, you put in this one. I did the it is from glutinous rice, and put some water, glutinous rice flour. You put a little bit of water and make sure that the texture is very nice before you make it into ball like this. Okay, the texture has to be like this. It's like you playing with the dough clay, you know, the clay that you play dough, something like that. And then put coloring, which I put pink color, and then you make it into round thing like that, ball like this, and throw it in. Okay, when you throw it in, and then once it's cooked, it become like this. There you go. See, very nice.
Very chewy.
Yeah, chewy and nice. And then after that, once this is done, you put in sugar. You put 1 small spoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, because to make it taste nicer. And then you put sugar. You can put about, so if this much, you put sugar around 3 spoon, right? If you want it sweet, then you put it more, but I put 3 spoon only. Okay, 3 spoon only. 2, 3, and the gula melaka. You know the gula melaka, you put the brown sugar, the gula melaka, which is you don't put too much. You just put one of the gula melaka. So you put about, for those who want, yeah, this one. For those who want it to be very sweet, then put one. This is half. Actually, I cut into 2. So I put half because I cannot. I'm diabetic. Okay. After this, you put in the coconut. Okay. Now the coconut, this one is actually half. I put in half of the coconut only because I want it soupy. If you want it thick, then you put in more coconut milk. Okay. So this one is only half of the coconut milk. So this becomes like this. Look, the ball. Very cute, right? Very nice, right? See? Ball. Okay. Alright. So that's it for now. Enjoy.
What else is there?
There's the pandan leaf in there. Pandan leaf to make it smells nice. And that's it.
Okay.